So the entire defense sector is currently in correction phase, and it's a valid thing as well because defense sector has given continuous rally. And if you remember, in 2024 alone itself, defense sector, the entire sector gave more than 130% return in 1 year. Yes, and in fact in the early part of 2025 also they continued their rally after a small correction. Okay, but now again they are in deep correction phase. But is this a time where we should sell our existing defense stocks, or is it a good time to accumulate high quality defense sector stocks? Let's find out in this video. We are going to discuss one of the most popular defense sector stocks, and regarding this stock I have made multiple videos on this channel. If you have been following this channel for quite some time, you know how many videos I have made at multiple levels, and this stock has become a multi-bagger for us. Okay, giving more than 250% return. Okay, since I made the first video. Okay, and do not worry if you have not watched my previous videos. I will share the link of all those videos in the description section below. You can watch them after you check this video. Okay, so what is the name of the stock that we are going to discuss today? It is Bharat Electronics, or we can call it BEL. BEL. Okay, so let's get started. But just a reminder that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stocks based on your own risk appetite and not based on the advice of any other person, right? So let's go to the screen. Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Bharat Electronics in a daily time frame. So we are going to stick mainly to the daily time frame because this is where we are going to spot things. Okay, so first of all, a close look at the big picture rally. Okay, since February 2025, okay, till July 2025, it gave 80% return in around 3 to 4 months. So this is what I was talking about when I said that in 2024 it gave a multi-bagger return, I mean the entire index, and then also it continued the rally in 2025. Okay, so this is the rally I am talking about. And not, this is not just about Bharat Electronics. You can find this in other stocks as well, HAL, Bharat Dynamics, or any other strong defense sector stock you like. Okay, so after that we are getting to see some correction here. Okay, we are getting to see some correction of around 17%. Okay, correction, which is fine. And now after this correction we get to see that since end of August, or we can say beginning of September, it has gone up by already 12% in 17 days. So is this the beginning of a rally? So let's find out. What I'm going to do is I'm straightforward, I'm going to use the fib retracement tool, okay, to track the fib levels. Okay, this is the top, this is the bottom. Okay, and you can see the 50% level is around 398, so we can round up to 400. Okay, and you can see that is exactly where the stock is trading now, 398.10. this is 398.45. okay, so you can see the stock resting here. But is this a confirmation that it will use this level as the support and go up? Well, not likely. We need confirmation, we need evidence. We cannot assume and proceed accordingly. Okay, we need confirmation. So as of now, you can keep this in your watch list and you can track its future price action. Okay, now this is the fib retracement. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mark this 50% level with a blue line and delete the fib retracement entirely so that it does not become clumsy. I mean the chart does not become clumsy. Okay, now the next tool that I'm going to use is the anchored VWAP. So I will use it as the topmost point. Okay, so you can see when I put it at the topmost point, we are getting to see that that level is aligning with this blue level. This blue line is 398.45. I said to round up to 400, but just for your convenience, but let's say 400. Okay, you can see this black line is near that line only. Okay, near the 400 line, and that is exactly where the stock is trying to build a support, but it has not yet successfully built as of now. Okay, and now so we got two evidence, or we can say two tools that are indicating that this 400 level is the crucial level. Okay, this is a crucial level, 400 level. Okay, now next thing what we are going to do is we are going to use the 50 EMA. So when I enable the 50 EMA, you can see that the 50 EMA has turned in the upward direction. In the upward direction it has turned up, and seeing the price action, it is there is a likelihood that this stock will actually get support near this level, this 398, 396, 400 level, and from here it could start going up. There is a high probability because this is an area of confluence. This 400 level is an area of confluence. Why? Because you get to see the 50% free retracement level here. We are getting to see anchored VWAP here. We are also seeing that the 50 EMA, this blue line, is also approaching this level. So multiple factors are clearly telling that this 400 level is a very crucial level, and the interested investors who have done their full research on this stock just want to time the perfect entry for the stock, then this is a clear cut roadmap for you, that keep the 400 level in your mind and see what the stock is doing. Today the market is not yet closed as of time of recording. We have to see where it is closing. Okay, if it gives a strong close, then we'll get to know that yes, it is trying to use this 400 level as its support. Okay, and the future candlesticks will definitely decide its course. Okay, so to sum it up, this 400 level is very crucial for the stock, and there is a high probability that it is going to use this level as the support. Okay, let's say it is failing to use that as the support, then it might come down all the way to 380 level or 375 level. Okay, to 38% retracement, but again definitely it will go up, and again until it uses this 400 level as its support, we should not make an entry. That is the clear cut picture or roadmap I can share with you. Okay, you have to wait for the stock to give use this 400 level as the support, and you might be thinking that I can buy when it goes down to 375 or 380. I will buy it at a cheaper rate. Well, that is true, and also this is also true that it's a high quality stock and in future it will go up, but that is not the perfect entry. And no matter how good the stock is, how good the reputation is of a stock, you should always keep your strategy correct. You should apply it in the same way for every kind of stock, no matter if it's a big large cap established company or just a small cap company with 5,000 crore market cap. Whatever it is, you should apply the same technique. Okay, that is what will enhance your skill for identifying, picking entry points, which is very crucial in the long run to survive in the stock market, in investing and trading as well. Okay, so that was the overall outlook on Bharat Electronics, and this is one of my favorite stocks. I do not tag favorite stocks because it has given me good returns. No, not like that. It has given consistent returns. Okay, and there are many people who call some stocks their favorite because they believe in the background story about a stock, that yes, this is developing this technology, in future it could go up by 2x 3x, and they believe in the story and they ignore the fundamentals, the price action. That is wrong. Okay, favorite means a stock should give consistent return, and that is what Bharat Electronics has done in the past, and in future it will also continue, but we also need to follow the rules. Okay, we cannot get carried away by the story or the how big the company is or how good the name is. Okay, so that was all about this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Impulse, and as I mentioned, please check the other videos. The links I have shared in the description section. And if you are already a member and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one-to-one on Discord and ask your queries. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.